This is a demonstration of MoonFlix, the Netflix clone. Coming to the home page, here we have different subscription plans such as mobile, standard with ads, standard and premium. Here we can customize the pricing, the different offerings of each of the category for the customers. For example, in the mobile category, we have few ad breaks, different resolution than the other plans. Video and sound quality is fair, supported devices, and we can see a number of devices that we can watch on at a time. This all can be customized as per the requirement and as per the plans we create. If a customer wants to subscribe to one of these plans, they can just go to subscribe and they can apply the coupon code and check out with different payment methods that are integrated, and they can make the payment to subscribe to the plan at the price given. Now, coming to the home page, this is the home page where we see different content on the platform. On the top, we have recently added featured content, different contents that are recommended based on the past watch activity. Continue watching, and we can see the upcoming movies on the platform. We have the option to see different languages that are being offered on the platform. For example, if I want to see one of the movies from here, I can just click on the movies. I can play it right from here, and if I want to just go to the whole screen, I can just press here. I can see the release date of the movie, the duration, the age group, the IMDb rating, the number of views, and we have the option to share the details of the movie right from here as well. We have the option to add it to the watch list, and we have the option to watch the trailer as well right from here. For example, for now, I'm going to play the movie right from here. As you can see, the movie starts playing, and we have the option to pause. The entire player controls are right here. We can forward the movie, we can pause the movie, we can go 10 seconds back. We have the option to mute, we have the option to change volume, and other options like other playlists. We have the option to show the playlist, minimize, maximize, hide the playlist. We have the option to see the captions. We have the option to change the resolution of the video that's currently playing. We have the option to go to the full screen and play the video. Similarly, we have the option to go to the next, and we have the option to shuffle as well. Now coming back, here we also have the option to watch the trailer of the movie. Here we can see the trailer of the movie as well. Now coming back to the home page, we also have different categories on the top. As you can see here, we have recently added, I have showed you a movie, let me show you a TV show and how it's categorized on the platform. For example, I'm going to open a TV show right here, and we can see different seasons that are listed on the platform. We can see their ratings, release year, season, different details, and different episodes are displayed with their images, their description right here, the way it's displayed right here. If you want to play one of the episodes, you can just play here, and it starts playing. And similarly, we have the player controls, similarly the way I showed you earlier. Now coming back, similarly we can categorize different movies, upcoming movies and TV shows right here. For example, if you can go to upcoming movies, here we can see the movies that are going to launch, and we can see the trailer as well right from here. Also under movies, we have different movies that are listed on the platform. We can see different genres like horror, action, thriller, and you can press on each of this to see a specific kind of movie. For example, if I want to see an action movie, I can just press on action, and I can see all the movies under that category. And if I want to play the movie, I can just go to the movie and I can play that right from here as well. Also, coming to one of the movies, if I want to see the details of the movies, for example, the actors, the directors, everything can be seen here. For example, we can see the actors starring the movie. You can press here, and we can see all the movies that the actor has done, and it's listed on the platform. For example, Ryan Gosling has done one of the movies that is listed on the platform, and we can see it right from here. We can see all the details of the actor as well and their image right from here. Similarly, that is done for directors as well, and it can be categorized as per our requirement. Now coming to the search function, here we can enter different categories of the movies name that we want to see. For example, if I want to see Ready Player One, I can just press type here, and I can go to the movie right from here. The search function works perfectly to take you to the movie if you want to see that movie right from there as well. And if you want to search for a category, for example, if you want to go to a category of movies, that can also be searched using the search function. You can just press action and I can press on search, and it will show me all the movies under the action category as well. Now coming back to homepage, I'll show you another feature. Here we have the feature to hide a specific movie, TV show if that's not what we want to view. For example, we can just press here, and the movie or the TV show just hides from the home menu and the entire page, and it can't be seen by us in the future. That's just to hide the content that we don't really want to see. But of course, if you want to unhide the content that we have just hidden, it can be done. I'll show you that how it's done. You can just go here, and we have the option to see the hidden videos. The movies or the videos that we have hidden will be right here, and if you want to remove it from the hidden movies or the category, we can just press here, and it is then visible in the movies and the home category as normally. Now coming to super admin dashboard, I'll be showing you the admin dashboard in a while. On the top, we have the option to add money to our wallet. Next, we have dashboard. Here on the dashboard, we can see the data, like we have the option to change the email address, update age and mobile number, change your password and other details. Right from here, we can see the affiliate dashboard. We can see the payment history that we have done on the platform for the subscriptions. We can see the watch history, the movies or the TV shows that we have watched on the platform. Similarly, we have the option to go to watch list to see the movies or the TV shows that we have wishlisted to see in the future. Similarly, we also have the option to go to FAQ to add different FAQs from the admin panel if that's needed for the customers to navigate through the platform easily. On the top, you have the option to change the currency as the requirement. As the region we are serving, you can change the currency as well. And we have the option of notification panel as well right here. So that's it for the demonstration. Now I'll be showing. Coming to the admin panel of MoonFlix, this is the dashboard where we can see the total number of users, total active users, total number of movies that are posted on the platform, total TV series, different genres, coupons, packages, top 10 movies, and total TV channels on the platform. We can see different statistics like active subscribers. We can see user distribution, inactive, active, and subscribed users. We can see revenue report. We can see video distribution, monthly registered users. All the statistics and graphs can be accessed right from here. Total subscription revenue and everything can be seen right here in the dashboard. Now coming to users, going to all users, we can see all the users that are on the platform. We can see their user details. We can see the mobile number if they have added that, and we have the option to change the status. We can block their account if that's needed. We can change the subscription tier. For example, we can go to subscription tier. Currently, it's on mobile. We can change it to standard premium right from here if you want to do that manually. Similarly, we can edit the account details. We can delete the account if that's needed right from here. Now coming to roles and permissions, there are currently super admin, producer, user, and demo admin created. If you want to create a new roles based on the hierarchy in the company or the organization, you can create different roles and we can give them different access. For example, if you want to create a role for employee one, we can create that and we can give them different accesses. And at the bottom, you can press on create to create a new role. If you want to delete that, that can be done as well right from here. So this way we can manage different roles and permissions in our company. Next, we have user delete request. From here, we can delete the users if that's required or a new request of delete is received at the admin panel. Next, going to the menu. Here we can see different menus like home, recently added movies, upcoming movies, and TV shows. If you want to add new menus to the top bar of the MoonFlix, we can do that just by creating on create menu. We can add a menu name, for example, menu, and we can select what type of content needs to be under that menu. For example, I just want to add content that are best on interest. I can do that. I can set the limit how many are to be showed. We can select how it is viewed, like slider, grid view, and we can also select the order in which it's viewed, and we can press on create to create a new menu on the tab. It's created, and we can just go to menu and we can see a new menu is created right here. That is menu one. Similarly, we can edit the details and we can delete it right from here if that's needed. Now coming to packages, we see different packages that are active on the platform currently: $2.99, $6.99, $15.49, and $22.99. These are the four plans that are active on the platform. If you want to deactivate any one of them, we can just press on deactivate and it will be deactive on the platform. And similarly, if you want to create multiple backup plans or packages that we want to try out with our customers, similarly that can be created and we can activate them just like here, or we can deactivate just by pressing on deactivate. Similarly, you can see it's currently deactivate as I just press on deactivate. And if I want to activate it again, I can just press on activate and it will be activated right from here. I can also delete a specific package and I can edit the details of the package right from it. If you want to create a new package for our customers, we can add the plan ID as per our requirement. We can name the package. We can add the features we want. For example, one device, three devices, watch on four devices at a time. So different features can be added under that package. We can select the number of screens, all the details, menus, plan amount, and we can create a new package right from it. If you want to add new features in the packages, for example, if you want multiple screens like six screens, five screens, if you want to add different resolutions, that can be created by creating a new package feature. We can name the package feature and we can press and create to add the new feature. For example, here we currently have the mostly used package features that are already created. If you want to add more or we want to delete or edit the present ones, that can be done as well by pressing on edit or delete. Now, coming to content, under movies, we see different movies that are posted on the platform. From the admin panel, we have the option to add different movies. We have the option to import movies and delete the selected movies. For example, if I want to edit details of a specific movie, I can just press on edit to edit the different details. For example, I can change the maturity rating, I can change the name, I can change different titles, custom labels, audio languages, meta keywords, and everything can be managed from right from here. And we can also manage how the video is added to the platform. Is it added using different APIs, links, or custom upload? We can manage that as well, and we can upload the content. We can select the country of origin and we can select different menus where the content needs to be displayed. We can select the directors. We have the option to select the actors that are on the movie. We can select the different genres and other details can be added and we can create the movie right from it. Similarly, if you want to delete a movie from the platform, that can be just deleted by pressing on the button right here, and we can just press on delete to delete the movie from the platform. If you want to view the movie, you can just press on view and it will take us to the home page to show how it's looking on the platform. Now coming to the TV series, similarly, we can manage the TV series on the platform. For example, if I go to one of the TV series, I can go to manage seasons to manage different seasons. For example, we can add the season number, season slug. We can add the audio languages. We can add custom thumbnail and posters. We can add different ratings and different details and publishing year and other details, and we can update it right from here. Currently, you can see we have two seasons added. And for example, if you want to edit one of the seasons, you can press on edit. And if I want to manage the episodes that are posted, currently there are three episodes posted. And if I want to edit or if I want to add new episodes, it can be done from here. For example, if I want to add episodes, I can just press on add episodes to add the episodes by entering the title, episode number, duration, subtitles if that's required, or we can enable or disable the subtitles and custom posters and thumbnails right from here. Then we can select the audio language, the source of the video, and we can create a new episode right from here. And in case if you want to edit one of the videos that we have posted, that can be done as well right from here. For example, we can edit the title, the episode number, duration. We can change the custom thumbnail and poster, everything right from here. Similarly, if we want to delete one of them, we can select and we can press on delete selected to delete it right from here. Similarly, it can be done for the TV channels. We can manage the audios on the platform. We can manage the live events, ebooks, requested movies. If that's enabled, if you want to enable the requested movies, that can be done as well. We can manage the blog content that we have posted on the platform. If you want to add new post, it can be done just by pressing on add post. We can add the title, the image, the poster, and the description, and we can enable the status to add a post to the platform. Similarly, if you want to see how it is looking, we can just press on view and we can go to the website to see how the content is looking on the platform. Now, next we have content. Here we have different genres. Currently, there are like multiple genres, 15 to 20 genres that are added on the platform, like horror, action, thriller, romance, sci-fi, drama. We can also add different genres by just pressing on create, and we can add the name and the image to create a new genre. And if you want to delete one of the pre-added ones, you can just press on delete to make that gone from the admin panel. Similarly, it can be edited as well. Similarly, different directors are added on the platform currently. We can add new directors by pressing on add directors. We can name the directors, their date of birth, place of birth, their image, and their biography. A small biography can be added. So if you anyone wants to access that, they can do that as well. Similarly, for the actors, it can be done by pressing on add actors. If you want to delete one of the actors or if you want to edit details of them, it can be done as well right from here. Similarly, we have audio languages and labels. Under audio languages, we can add different languages that we are offering on the platform right now. And under labels, we can add different custom labels like movies, web series, TV shows, and comedy. So different labels are being shown on the different tabs on the MoonFlix homepage. Next, under marketing, we have coupons. Here we can create and delete the coupons. Currently, you can see we have a coupon code new 10 for a 10% off that's been created. If you want to create a new coupon, you can press on create a coupon. We can add the coupon name, valid up to duration, maximum redemption, discount percentage, and you can create a coupon right from here. And if you want to delete or edit, it can be done as well right from here. You can just go to edit and edit the details of the coupon as well. Now coming to notifications, we can manage the notifications right from here. We can select the movie, the event, or the TV series that we want to target the notification for, and then we can select even the users whom the notification is to be set. So different marketing techniques can be managed right from here. Next, we have affiliate settings, we have comments, we have the option to manage sub comments, we have the option to add views to the different movies or TV series on the platform. Next, we have the option to add push notifications by integrating the keys from different sources as per the requirement. It can be done, and we can enable the push notification, and we can configure it for different user groups, so we can target the audience perfectly for the marketing needs. Now coming next, we have reports like user subscriptions. We can see the user subscriptions, their name, current plan they are on, standard, premium, subscription, when it is expiring, everything can be done. You can also change the subscription tier if you want to do that as well right from here. You can just press on this and we can change the subscription tier if you want to upgrade them under any circumstances. Under reports, now next we have device history. We can see the device history that is active on the platform. You can see all the details, username, IP address, platform, logged in, time, date, everything right from here. Next we have revenue reports. Here we can see the revenue reports and subscriptions in each of the month by seeing the chart right from here. Next, we can see the view tracker for movies, TV series, weekly top 10 movies, series, and all the details right from here, like monthly top 10 movies and series as well. Next, under wallet, we have the option to enable the wallet and add different payment options. Multiple payment options can be integrated as an add-on if that's required as well. Next, we have site settings. Under general settings, we can manage the project title, the website URL, the different logo, favicon images, and everything can be managed right from here. We can also manage the mobile link download that can be enabled. We can add the links of the mobile apps. General settings can be managed as well, like coming soon, top rated sections, free trial days. If that's needed, it can be enabled. We can also enable multiple settings right from here. For example, blog section can be enabled, disabled, different ratings, two-factor authentication, verification of email, count of views, multiple screens, download videos, remove thumbnail on detail page, debug mode, and different other details and different other settings can be managed as per the requirement. If you want to enable the kids mode, for example, it can be done. If you want to disable it, it can be disabled right from here. I told you earlier there is a movie request setting. If you want to disable it, you can just do right here. If you want to allow users to request movies, we can enable that as well just by pressing that. Next, we have SEO settings. We have mail settings. Different mail settings can be managed as well right from here. Next, we can see social login settings. For example, we can enable different social logins like Facebook, Google, Amazon. As per the requirement, we can integrate multiple social logins as an add-on. That's totally depending on the requirement of the customers. Now, next we have chat settings. We have Google AdSense settings, and we have language settings. Here we can manage the different languages. For example, currently English is enabled. If you want to add other languages, we can just go to add language. We can add name. We can enter the language name, and we can also set it as default and enable to create a new language on the platform. Similarly, different currencies can be added and deleted as well right from it. Currently, we can see the currencies that are added. We have the option to delete and edit the currencies as well. And if you want to add a new currency, it can be added by pressing on add new currency. Now coming to player settings, we have player customizations. For example, we can enable the player logo being displayed on the player when video is playing. Video share, Chromecast, Different settings like autoplay, speed control, resume and playback, loop the video, and other details can be uh, enabled or disabled just by using this simple toggle function as per the requirement. We can also change the font color of the subtitles. We can also change the player skin, copyright details, and other details right from here, and we can press on update to make the changes. Next, we have Google Advertise and Advertise to enable and add ads to the player. If that's required, that can be done by using the Google Ad settings. Next, under payment gateways, we can enable and disable the payment gateways that we are currently offering. We can add multiple gateways as per the requirements. As an add-on, multiple gateways can be integrated. Initially, you can choose one of the free gateways that you require as a primary gateway for the platform. Similarly, manual payment gateway can be managed, and another payment gateway details can be managed right from here. Next, we have app settings. Here, we can add the mobile app settings. We can change the logo. We can change other details right from here. We can enable social logins and other details, remove ads and everything for the mobile can be managed right from here. Next, API settings and API slider settings can be managed. Different keys and other mailing and API details, reCAPTCHA, credentials, and everything can be managed right from here. Next, we have Media Manager. Here we can see the different medias and videos, images that are posted on the platform. Everything can be managed right from here. We can access the details of this. We can delete it, we can rename it, we can download it, and it can be accessed as per the requirement of us. At last, we have a few help and support settings like clear cache, database backup, and other stuff. On the top, we have the option to redirect to the homepage of MoonFlix. For example, we just got redirect to the homepage of MoonFlix to access the content. On the top, we have the option to go to my profile and change the details of my profile like email, name, password, profile image. We have the option to change the language as well right from here. So that's it for the demonstration of MoonFlix.